Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Fortuner GR Sport. This is the ultimate off-road SUV for those who demand both performance and capability. Exterior design. The first thing you'll notice about the Fortuner GR Sport is its aggressive exterior styling. It's got a wider stance than the standard Fortuner, with larger fender flares and a more prominent grille. The GR Sport also gets unique 18-inch alloy wheels and a roof spoiler. Interior design. The interior of the Fortuner GR Sport is just as impressive as the exterior. It's got a sporty feel, with GR-branded seats, steering wheel, and shift knob. The GR Sport also gets a panoramic sunroof and a heads-up display. Performance. The Fortuner GR Sport is powered by a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine that produces 201 horsepower and 309 pounds-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and has a selectable 4-wheel drive system. The GR Sport also gets upgraded suspension and brakes for improved handling and performance. Off-road capability. The Fortuner GR Sport is built to go anywhere. It's got a ground clearance of 9.5 inches and approach and departure angles of 32 degrees and 27 degrees, respectively. The GR Sport also gets a locking rear differential and a multi-terrain select system that optimizes the driving experience for different conditions. So, if you're looking for an SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner GR Sport is the perfect choice. It's got the power, performance, and capability to take you on any adventure. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more car content. And be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the 2024 Toyota Fortuner GR Sport. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.